a lot of media came to see us, and they all said, nako, hindi na
Mga 24.
papakinabangan tong resort na to kasi nasira na dahil there's yung mga trees namin
ABS-CBN.
naputol na, nagiba na lahat ng mga trees, tapos mukha na kaming malaking wasteland, ganon. But just a month after the eruption, we have cleaned up and ready to operate again. So on February 14, we reopened. This was in 2020. So, okay na, no? After the eruption, it was talagang big work on the 14 hectares that we had. Kaya lang,
Yung
on March
pandemic.
14, COVID, nag-blackout na. So, oo. But so even now, talaga, maraming nagde-decline, especially corporate clients who are advised by their safety officers na, it's not safe. So, and the individual travelers also who are afraid na they're not familiar with the volcano. They're not familiar with, like, say, alert level 1. So, and then sa news, laging kung minsan yung mga pictures nga, yung mga lumang eruption, nilalagay na parang bago. So people get scared. So we do our information campaign. Oo, and then we interviewed P-Volks. We're current with them. Also, we have a live camera pointed at the volcano, so they could see whether, puputok na ba o tahimik lang.